myself more later. So now, first of all, you are warmly welcome to our Cooking Safari Tanzania event. It's really a first time to start. This is our very first event starting today. Yeah. Have much time to prepare. We just try to prepare in advance, and now we will just cook. But you will try to do it for sure. So we left this potato. Everyone can try to use their hand to peel it. But this is for teachers. So what are we going to do today? Yes, here. So today we are going to cook chipsi mayai. Everyone say chipsi mayai.
Chipsi mayai.
So we will have potato here already, and we have eggs. Eggs are here already, and we have oil. Oil is here, right? So this is the first thing we need to cook. I show you how to peel. So the way how we peel, we use knife. And you have to peel like this. Use your hands. Okay? So we peel like this. We don't use the whatever you are peeling in Taiwan. We just peel like this. So everyone can try. No. You want to try to peel it?
Eric, good job.
Yeah.
Be careful.
You can try to peel it.
Eric, have you cooked before?
That's difficult.
But Grace, you know in Taiwan we
You cannot peel like this.
Yes.
This cannot work.
So in Tanzania,
You need the knife need to be this side, and you have to peel in this way. No, this way.
Also in Honduras, you will peel like this.
It's difficult. Be careful. Don't peel your finger. You need to pick potato. Okay, enough. Great.
You are afraid. You are afraid, Ada.
So you see, it's a little bit challenge, right? Yeah. So that's how we do. So everything here we use doing this. Even cutting, we cut in this way, right? Like you need to cut. So everything we just do in a very, very small. So.
Before?
Not really.
None. Me neither. Okay.
这没有用过。
哦，没问题，没问题。
Kibongo, your portion is here.
有装过这个吗？
都没有用过，从来。
Twiga, your portion is here. Okay, and that is Campbell. Campbell, your portion is here.
那跟开瓦斯炉一样。
一样。哦，这样就可以了。
好。
谢谢你。
So you need to put, first of all, your face far away because it's hot. Okay? Otherwise, it's not good for you. That's why this part is a little bit sensitive. Oh, professional! Ben, professional here! Professional!
Who, Kevin?
Kevin, professional! Oh! And here, we have another professional here. Ben, professional here. Professional.
Good.
Come to try here for teacher's table if you want. The next step, we need to take off this oil and we need to make chipsi mayai. Because this one is chipsi kavu. Kavu means dry chips without eggs. Kavu is dry. And the people in Tanzania will still eat this. How we eat? We can eat this with ketchup and with salad. And it's very good. So some other people, they love eating this. But today, we will try this, at least one, and then we will make mayai with eggs, okay? Today. So we will have our milk tea, chai ya maziwa. So we will make chai ya maziwa Tanzanian style. So we have these spices here. We have the synonym here, and you can see there. Also, we have ginger. Okay, cloves. We have cloves. That one we use cloves, but also we have ginger, and also we have nutmeg here. So the first step, we put the milk here, and we have Tanzania. This one is from Tanzania. It's not from Taiwan. And chai bora means quality tea. Yeah, chai bora means quality tea. So chai is tea, bora is quality in Swahili. Okay. So here we will set the fire, and when we set the fire, we don't put these things too much. This is later.
Oh, later.
Yeah. So we put not too much, just a little bit, because it's how too much or how little. For me, this one I think is enough. We don't, for cloves, because cloves are very strong. Yeah, very strong cloves. So we just put this, and they will we heat together. And we have these ones, nuggets, also nutmeg, also. And also the cinnamon here.
Enough?
And then we put this, and this is also very strong. We don't need to put too much.
Cinnamon?
Yeah, it's very strong. And also we put ginger, though when we have original, the one fresh is very also good. But today we just choose to put this. So after this, we will wait to be heated, to be boiled. And then later we will put this. We have the other one which we can just take without buds, right? Like, because this is kind of tea bags. We have the other one, but because today maybe we just use this. 5. Maybe you can put 5 or 6 because we need the color to change. We will have event next time. So which one you will prefer to eat if you would like to join? I hope today everyone learned how to cook chipsi mayai. So maybe you can try another thing in the future. We have those things. This is a pumpkin soup, and we have pilau. Where is pilau? Where is my thing? Yeah, that's it, pilau. And also we have maandazi. Yeah, this one. But also we have banana. And banana is very special because in Taiwan people they don't eat cooked banana. But in Tanzania we will eat that green banana and cook with coconut milk, and it's really very delicious.